Hey, this is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. We're back. We wanted to show you how we remove coatings with an aggressive abrasive, and then we're going to come back and show you how we polish it up. So today I've got the Weekend Warrior. We're using a very aggressive abrasive. This is a silicon carbide, so it's got a lot of sharp edges, not quite as hard as aluminum oxide, but it's going to be very aggressive. We're going to use it to remove the paint off of this part, and then we're going to come back and polish it in the 800 FL. So please stay tuned. So what we've done is we use the Weekend Warrior. We use silicon carbide. I've removed this paint. What I'm gonna do is go back into the 800 FL. I'm gonna use a different abrasive in order to shine this up. What I wanted to do is give you an idea of how both of these machines will perform. The biggest deal is what abrasive you're using and also what pressure you have. So please stay tuned. Hey guys, so we're back after using the Weekend Warrior with silicon carbide to remove the paint off of this part. Then we went to the 800 FL and we used a combination of 4:1 ratio of glass bead to aluminum oxide to polish that part up. So the point of this is that both machines are going to perform according to the abrasive and the pressure that you have. So at the same pressure with different abrasives, we were able to not only remove paint, but also bring it to a like new finish. So let us know what questions you have, what issues you have, tell me your pain points. Let us know how we can assist you today. Give us a call at 828-202-5563, or you can visit our showroom using video chat. Give us a call today.